falling asleep in the chair. Is that Miss Dahlia? You falling asleep? Did you take a nap today? You falling asleep on your pasta?
Oh my gosh.
I have to see this video.
What are you doing?
I really want to see
Are you
that
sleepy,
picture.
Dahlia?
Are you ready to go night night? No night nights yet? You ready to go night nights? Oh, you okay? Let me check it out. Let me check it out. Oh, goodness. How about let's get out of the chair?